So hi, Manuel.
Hey, hello.
Leaf Audio. You're going to talk
Yes,
us through the microphonic Soundbox Mark II, right?
yes. Um, it is a sound design instrument. It is meant as a hub for getting really small sounds, everything found materials and so into your system and then process it further and work with it. Might it be a modular or an iPad, like in this case, controlled by a MIDI controller, um, granular synthesis, or you put it just straight in your Ableton and whatever you like.
So just talk us through how it's set up now. It's going into the iPad to be processed via some effects, right?
Yes, I use a reverb on it to make it a little bit more spatial, and then I have some apps like here this tardigrade. I can show you how I use it, or a looper, so I can loop stuff in real time. Yeah, and the box itself, it's battery powered. Um, you have an amplification per channel. We have two channels of contact microphones inside the box with an amplification of 40 dB each. But absolutely noise free. So means you can sample the tiniest sounds, like for example this kind of thing. Sample it at a high sampling rate and then pitch it down. So and there's no noise above the hearing range, which comes into the hearing range then by pitching it down. So we try to provide the best quality we could for keeping all the processing possibilities open then afterwards. So, and basically it sounds like this. You have these metal poles, springs. And you can tune the kalimba. And you can also take the kalimba off, or here on the side you see this threaded M3 strip, like in a modular, and you can use normal M3 screws to attach anything to it. So if you find a piece of metal or whatever material on the street or so, you find it interesting, you want to research it, you can put it either here or here, remove it and put it there. You can also use external contact microphones with the input. Then one of the internal ones is switched off. So it has two outputs. You can use only one, then both channels are summed to mono, or you can use them in parallel, then both channels are split. So then you have kind of a stereo signal, like now. Or you can use the external input, then you can still play the box as an instrument on one channel and can use it as an amplifier for external stuff on the other channel. So you have kind of two devices in one, an instrument and an amplifier for contact microphones. And this is what it's meant for. Get most out of this kind of sound research approach, hands-on approach.
So was there a particular kind of project that made you think that this could work as a product?
I was building the first wood block. I called it the wood block in 97, around 97, 98. It was just a wood block with contact microphones, and I just screwed some springs and so. It already had this kind of form and this sandpaper and so. But I had no amplifiers. And then it was just meant as a temporary device for finding out researching some sounds and so. And then over the years, I found that I still was using the same device, but in a completely different way. And the sounds I made with that changed totally. Like in the late 90s, I only had a compressor and some effects and a mixing desk, and that was it. And then later, I was using Ableton on a laptop, and then the sound changed totally. But it was the same device. And then I started as Leaf Audio this kind of DIY workshop series in Germany. And I was doing workshops for many years, and then I thought, hey, let's do an acoustic DIY kit. So, and then I came back to this old idea, and we made a product from it. And we designed own preamps and stuff, and tried to make it round. So, and then this was the microphonic soundbox.
So it's available now.
It's
What
available.
what is the price?
229 at the moment. Maybe will go up a little bit. Yeah, for the quality you get, it's quite affordable, I think. So, and I can show you some sounds.
Show
and
us
so-
some more sounds
Yeah.
and kind of give us a little performance.
Yeah, I will just play a bit. Just to give you some examples of possibilities. So, and it depends on with what kind of equipment you connected. So everybody has a different system. Everybody does different sounds with it, and yeah, many sound designers use it for film now, but also theater, ballet, music, of course.
Excellent. Well, Manuel,
It's
thank you
quite
very
open.
much.
You're welcome. Thank you for stopping by.